선풍기에서 떨어져 있어.
Stay off the fan.
Stay off the fan.
Stay off the fan.
눈이 올 리가 없어요.
It can't be snowing.
It can't be snowing.
It can't be snowing.
출산일이 언제야?
When is her baby due?
When is her baby due?
When is her baby due?
서적 코너를 찾고 있어요.
I am looking for the book corner.
I'm looking for the book corner.
I am looking for the book corner.
넌 참 인기가 많구나.
You're so popular.
You're so popular.
You're so popular.
가벼운 식사 있습니까?
Can I get a light meal here?
Can I get a light meal here?
Can I get a light meal here?
한국 음악을 들을 거예요.
I'm going to listen to Korean music.
I'm going to listen to Korean music.
I'm going to listen to Korean music.
내가 너라면 화가 날 거야.
If I were you, I'd be furious.
If I were you, I'd be furious.
If I were you, I'd be furious.
뭔가 할 말이 더 있습니까?
Do you have any other comments?
Do you have any other comments?
Do you have any other comments?
나중에 전화할게요.
I'll call back later.
I'll call back later.
I'll call back later.
알아들었어?
Is that clear?
Is that clear?
Is that clear?
여기 와이파이 되나요?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Do you have Wi-Fi here?
8페이지를 읽으세요.
Read page 8.
Read page 8.
Read page 8.
저는 영어도 가르쳐요.
I teach English as well.
I teach English as well.
I teach English as well.
넌 그냥 있어.
You just stay.
You just stay.
You just stay.
저녁 어떠세요?
How about dinner?
How about dinner?
How about dinner?
이 책 다 읽었어?
Are you done with this book?
Are you done with this book?
Are you done with this book?
자신감을 가지세요.
Take heart.
Take heart.
Take heart.
너무 고마워서 어떻게 감사드려야 할지 모르겠네요.
I can never thank you enough.
I can never thank you enough.
I can never thank you enough.
저는 성격이 급해요.
I'm an impatient person.
I'm an impatient person.
I'm an impatient person.
강아지 키우기는 쉽지 않아.
It's not easy to raise the dog.
It's not easy to raise the dog.
It's not easy to raise the dog.
이 지방의 와인을 마셔보고 싶어요.
I would like to try a local wine.
I would like to try a local wine.
I would like to try a local wine.
이거 옮기는 것 좀 도와주시겠어요?
Would you help me carry this?
Would you help me carry this?
Would you help me carry this?
당신이 그런 말을 했다니 믿을 수 없어요.
I can't believe you said that.
I can't believe you said that.
I can't believe you said that.
화장실 좀 써도 될까요?
Can I use the restroom?
Can I use the restroom?
Can I use the restroom?
생선구이로 부탁합니다.
Grilled fish, please.
Grilled fish, please.
Grilled fish, please.
이야기 그만하고 나를 봐.
Stop talking and look at me.
Stop talking and look at me.
Stop talking and look at me.
그 원피스를 사야 하니?
Do you have to buy that dress?
Do you have to buy that dress?
Do you have to buy that dress?
더블 룸이 있습니까?
Do you have any double rooms?
Do you have any double rooms?
Do you have any double rooms?
여기 어떻게 왔어요?
How did you get here?
How did you get here?
How did you get here?
이거 먹어봐요.
Try eating this.
Try eating this.
Try eating this.
저는 여동생이 있어요.
I have a younger sister.
I have a younger sister.
I have a younger sister.
좋은 직장을 찾고 있습니다.
I am looking for a good job.
I am looking for a good job.
I am looking for a good job.
저는 아무거나 괜찮아요.
Anything is fine for me.
Anything is fine for me.
Anything is fine for me.
티셔츠 입을 거예요.
I'm going to wear a t-shirt.
I'm going to wear a t-shirt.
I'm going to wear a t-shirt.
무슨 일 있어?
Do you have a problem?
Do you have a problem?
Do you have a problem?
이 프로그램은 어때요?
How about this program?
How about this program?
How about this program?
출산을 축하해요.
Congratulations on your new baby.
Congratulations on your new baby.
Congratulations on your new baby.
이거 사고 싶어요.
I want to buy this.
I want to buy this.
I want to buy this.
우리와 함께 할 생각 있어요?
Are you interested in joining us?
Are you interested in joining us?
Are you interested in joining us?
전화 받으시는 분은 누구세요?
Who am I talking to?
Who am I talking to?
Who am I talking to?
맛있게 드세요.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
이것은 제 카드로 계산해 주세요.
Put this on my card.
Put this on my card.
Put this on my card.
관절이 쑤셔요.
My joints hurt.
My joints hurt.
My joints hurt.
이메일로 연락 주세요.
Send me an email.
Send me an email.
Send me an email.
두 그릇으로 나눠주실 수 있으실까요?
Could we have this in 2 plates?
Could we have this in 2 plates?
Could we have this in 2 plates?
보통 몇 시에 일어나요?
What time do you get up?
What time do you get up?
What time do you get up?
기타 연주할 줄 알아요?
Do you know how to play the guitar?
Do you know how to play the guitar?
Do you know how to play the guitar?
제가 당신께 전화해도 될까요?
Is it okay if I call you?
Is it okay if I call you?
Is it okay if I call you?
만나서 반가워요.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
잘 안 들려요. 좀 더 크게 말해주세요.
I can't hear you. Will you speak louder?
I can't hear you. Will you speak louder?
I can't hear you. Will you speak louder?
공부할게요.
I'll study.
I'll study.
I'll study.
마무리할 시간입니다.
It's time to wrap up.
It's time to wrap up.
It's time to wrap up.
자동차 뒤에 있어요.
It's behind the car.
It's behind the car.
It's behind the car.
영화는 어땠어요?
How was the movie? How was the movie? How was the movie?
나는 친구 만나기로 했어.
I'm supposed to meet a friend.
I'm supposed to meet a friend.
I'm supposed to meet a friend.
목욕할 시간이에요.
It's time to take a bath.
It's time to take a bath.
It's time to take a bath.
그런 것 같아요.
I think so.
I think so.
I think so.
너 생각은 뭔데?
What's on your mind? What's on your mind? What's on your mind?
건강하게만 자라다오.
I just want you to grow healthy.
I just want you to grow healthy.
I just want you to grow healthy.
영어 가르쳐 주려고 왔어요.
I'm here to teach English.
I'm here to teach English.
I'm here to teach English.
허브티 마실래?
Do you want some herbal tea?
Do you want some herbal tea?
Do you want some herbal tea?
손을 드세요.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
베트남으로 갈까?
Shall we go to Vietnam?
Shall we go to Vietnam?
Shall we go to Vietnam?
그 여자가 멋있다고 생각해?
Do you think she's nice?
Do you think she's nice?
Do you think she's nice?
그냥 건성으로 다녔어.
I attended half-heartedly.
I attended half-heartedly.
I attended half-heartedly.
왜 그녀가 보고 싶어요?
Why do you want to see her?
Why do you want to see her?
Why do you want to see her?
비자를 가지고 있습니까?
Do you have a visa?
Do you have a visa?
Do you have a visa?
서둘러. 우리 늦겠어.
Hurry up. We're going to be late.
Hurry up. We're going to be late.
Hurry up. We're going to be late.
지금 울어요?
Are you crying?
Are you crying?
Are you crying?
저는 미국에서 태어났어요.
I was born in the USA.
I was born in the USA.
I was born in the USA.
이번 여름에 어디로 갈 거예요?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
Are you going somewhere this summer?
일을 하기 싫습니다.
I don't want to work.
I don't want to work.
I don't want to work.
자기 전에 무엇을 해요?
What do you do before bed?
What do you do before bed?
What do you do before bed?
당신을 도와주러 왔어요.
I'm here to help you.
I'm here to help you.
I'm here to help you.
케이크 좀 가져다 드릴까요?
Can I get you some cake? Can I get you some cake? Can I get you some cake?
소스가 달콤해요.
The sauce is sweet.
The sauce is sweet.
The sauce is sweet.
한 잔 더 하실래요?
Can I get you another drink?
Can I get you another drink?
Can I get you another drink?
욕조에 들어가죠.
Let's get into the bathtub.
Let's get into the bathtub.
Let's get into the bathtub.
전 아무것도 몰라요.
I don't know anything.
I don't know anything.
I don't know anything.
몸만 오세요.
Bring yourself.
Bring yourself.
Bring yourself.
사람 얕보지 말라고.
Who do you think I am?
Who do you think I am?
Who do you think I am?
제자리에 갖다 놓으세요.
Put it back where it belongs.
Put it back where it belongs.
Put it back where it belongs.
저는 운동을 싫어해요.
I don't like sports.
I don't like sports.
I don't like sports.
저는 회사원이에요.
I am an office worker. I am an office worker. I am an office worker.
이거 되게 좋아하네요.
You like this very much.
You like this very much.
You like this very much.
이건 손세탁만 가능해요.
This is hand wash only.
This is hand wash only.
This is hand wash only.
전면 주차를 해주세요.
Park your car frontin, please.
Park your car frontin, please.
Park your car frontin, please.
무엇을 도와드릴까요?
May I help you?
May I help you?
May I help you?
오래간만이에요.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
넌 참 의리가 있구나.
You're so loyal.
You're so loyal.
You're so loyal.
저녁 준비하는데 시간이 걸려요.
It takes time to prepare dinner. It takes time to prepare dinner. It takes time to prepare dinner.
아프지 않게 해주세요.
Please make it painless.
Please make it painless.
Please make it painless.
내일부터 할 거야.
I'll start from tomorrow. I'll start from tomorrow. I'll start from tomorrow.
날이 흐리네요.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
It's cloudy.
마실 것 좀 드릴까요?
Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
전 쉽게 피곤해져요.
I get tired easily.
I get tired easily.
I get tired easily.
우리 가족은 4명이에요.
We are a family of 4.
We are a family of 4.
We are a family of 4.
누가 샀어요?
Who bought it?
Who bought it?
Who bought it?
소풍은 어디로 가니?
Where are you going for the picnic?
Where are you going for the picnic?
Where are you going for the picnic?
매일 무엇을 해요?
What do you do every day?
What do you do every day?
What do you do every day?
벌써 끝났어요.
It's already over.
It's already over.
It's already over.
곧 따라갈게요.
I'll catch up with you.
I'll catch up with you.
I'll catch up with you.
내일 무엇을 입을까요?
What shall I wear tomorrow?
What shall I wear tomorrow?
What shall I wear tomorrow?
전 성격이 급해요.
I am an impatient person.
I am an impatient person.
I am an impatient person.
그동안 어떻게 지냈니?
How have you been?
How have you been?
How have you been?
교통체증이 심했어.
I was caught in a traffic jam.
I was caught in a traffic jam.
I was caught in a traffic jam.
당신에 대한 말씀 많이 들었어요.
I've heard a great deal about you.
I've heard a great deal about you.
I've heard a great deal about you.
우리랑 함께 가실래요?
Do you want to come along with us?
Do you want to come along with us?
Do you want to come along with us?
그는 제정신이 아니야.
He must be out of his mind.
He must be out of his mind.
He must be out of his mind.
여기서 5분 거리에 있어요.
It's 5 minutes from here.
It's 5 minutes from here.
It's 5 minutes from here.
이게 제일 좋아요.
This is the best one.
This is the best one.
This is the best one.
그 책을 읽었던 기억이 나.
I remember reading that book.
I remember reading that book.
I remember reading that book.
왜 알고 싶어요?
Why do you want to know?
Why do you want to know?
Why do you want to know?
저도 모르겠는데요.
Beats me.
Beats me.
Beats me.
언제부터 아팠어요?
When did you fall ill?
When did you fall ill?
When did you fall ill?
많이 잃었어.
I've lost a lot.
I've lost a lot.
I've lost a lot.
난 너의 도움만 있으면 돼.
All I need is your help.
All I need is your help.
All I need is your help.
취향이 다르잖아.
You have a different taste from me.
You have a different taste from me.
You have a different taste from me.
잘 준비됐나요?
Are you ready to sleep?
Are you ready to sleep?
Are you ready to sleep?
일 다 끝났니?
Are you done with the work?
Are you done with the work?
Are you done with the work?
반찬 더 주실 수 있으실까요?
Could we have some more side dishes, please?
Could we have some more side dishes, please?
Could we have some more side dishes, please?
파마하는 거 어때요?
How about getting a perm?
How about getting a perm?
How about getting a perm?
길 좀 알려줄 수 있으세요?
Can you show me the way?
Can you show me the way?
Can you show me the way?
이 음료는 무료예요?
Is this beverage free?
Is this beverage free?
Is this beverage free?
어제보다 일찍 갈 거예요.
I'm going to go earlier than yesterday.
I'm going to go earlier than yesterday.
I'm going to go earlier than yesterday.
제가 운전할까요?
Do you want me to drive?
Do you want me to drive?
Do you want me to drive?
이거 주세요.
I will take this, please.
I will take this, please.
I will take this, please.
11번 버스를 타세요.
Take the bus number 11.
Take the bus number 11.
Take the bus number 11.
나 지금 백수야.
I'm out of a job now.
I'm out of a job now.
I'm out of a job now.
별로 안 나빠요.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad.
지금 좀 바빠요.
I'm a little busy right now.
I'm a little busy right now.
I'm a little busy right now.
질문 있나요?
Any questions?
Any questions?
Any questions?
코트를 입을 거예요.
I'm going to put on an overcoat.
I'm going to put on an overcoat.
I'm going to put on an overcoat.
그녀의 결정을 따를게.
I'll go along with her decision.
I'll go along with her decision.
I'll go along with her decision.
책을 치우세요.
Put away your book.
Put away your book.
Put away your book.
약이 있습니까?
Do you have medicine?
Do you have medicine?
Do you have medicine?
주차장을 찾고 있어요.
I am looking for a parking lot.
I am looking for a parking lot.
I am looking for a parking lot.
무슨 요리하니?
What do you cook?
What do you cook?
What do you cook?
차를 마셔요.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
I drink tea.
그 옆에 있는 거예요.
The one next to that.
The one next to that.
The one next to that.
그 영화는 어느 나라 말로 상영되나요?
What language is this film?
What language is this film?
What language is this film?
아무도 그 기자를 믿지 않을 거야.
No one will believe that reporter.
No one will believe that reporter.
No one will believe that reporter.
별일 없으시죠?
How is everything?
How is everything?
How is everything?
좋은 데가 어디 있을까?
Where would be a good place?
Where would be a good place?
Where would be a good place?
그가 집에 있는지 없는지 아니?
Do you know if he's at home?
Do you know if he's at home?
Do you know if he's at home?
이 사람이 누군지 말해주시겠어요?
Can you tell me who this person is?
Can you tell me who this person is?
Can you tell me who this person is?
컵 좀 주실래요?
Can I have a cup?
Can I have a cup?
Can I have a cup?
펜 좀 빌려주실래요?
Can I borrow your pen?
Can I borrow your pen?
Can I borrow your pen?
10분 내로 갈게요.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
내가 너라면 그걸 사지 않을 거야.
If I were you, I wouldn't buy it.
If I were you, I wouldn't buy it.
If I were you, I wouldn't buy it.
계좌를 해지하고 싶어요.
I'd like to cancel my account.
I'd like to cancel my account.
I'd like to cancel my account.
주문 가능한가요?
Can I order?
Can I order?
Can I order?
구급차를 불러줄 사람 있나요?
Is there anyone who can call an ambulance?
Is there anyone who can call an ambulance?
Is there anyone who can call an ambulance?
어디서 전화 걸 수 있나요?
Where can I make a call?
Where can I make a call?
Where can I make a call?
여기가 어딘지 말해주시겠어요?
Can you tell me where I am?
Can you tell me where I am?
Can you tell me where I am?
이거 리필 좀 해주실 수 있나요?
Could we get this refilled?
Could we get this refilled?
Could we get this refilled?
제 혈액형은 A형이에요.
My blood type is A.
My blood type is A.
My blood type is A.
묵비권을 행사하겠습니다.
I'll take the fifth.
I'll take the fifth.
I'll take the fifth.
내일 다시 오는 게 어때요?
Why don't you come back tomorrow?
Why don't you come back tomorrow?
Why don't you come back tomorrow?
넌 참 상냥하구나.
You're so sweet.
You're so sweet.
You're so sweet.
저도 몰라요.
I don't know, either.
I don't know, either.
I don't know, either.
오늘은 더 더워요.
It's hotter today.
It's hotter today.
It's hotter today.
시작하자.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Let's start.
머리 감자.
Let's wash your hair.
Let's wash your hair.
Let's wash your hair.
전화번호 좀 알려주시겠어요?
Can I get your telephone number?
Can I get your telephone number?
Can I get your telephone number?
음료수는 어떤 게 있습니까?
What kind of drinks do you have?
What kind of drinks do you have?
What kind of drinks do you have?
서둘지 마.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
빨래가 쌓였어요.
The laundry has piled up.
The laundry has piled up.
The laundry has piled up.
제가 택시를 잡아드릴게요.
I'll catch a taxi for you.
I'll catch a taxi for you.
I'll catch a taxi for you.
다음 여행 시간은 몇 시예요?
When is the next tour?
When is the next tour?
When is the next tour?
가스렌지 끌까?
Should I turn off the gas stove?
Should I turn off the gas stove?
Should I turn off the gas stove?
다시 전화 드릴게요.
I'll call you back.
I'll call you back.
I'll call you back.
인터뷰하러 왔어요.
I'm here for the interview.
I'm here for the interview.
I'm here for the interview.
나이에 비해 젊어 보여?
Do I look young for my age?
Do I look young for my age?
Do I look young for my age?
마디마디가 쑤셔.
I'm aching in the joints.
I'm aching in the joints.
I'm aching in the joints.
그 냄새 못 참겠네요.
I can't stand that smell.
I can't stand that smell.
I can't stand that smell.
주말 잘 보내세요.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
나 살찐 것 같지 않니?
Don't you think I'm fat?
Don't you think I'm fat?
Don't you think I'm fat?
이번 주말에 일할 거예요.
Are you going to work this weekend?
Are you going to work this weekend?
Are you going to work this weekend?
그 사람이 자리에 없네요.
He is out at the moment.
He is out at the moment.
He is out at the moment.
영수증 좀 주시겠어요?
Could I get a receipt, please?
Could I get a receipt, please?
Could I get a receipt, please?
프랑스어를 공부해요.
I'm studying French.
I'm studying French.
I'm studying French.
아버지는 과체중이셨어요.
My father was overweight.
My father was overweight.
My father was overweight.
이 수표를 현금으로 바꾸고 싶어요.
I'd like to cash this check.
I'd like to cash this check.
I'd like to cash this check.
가고 싶어요.
I want to go.
I want to go.
I want to go.
머리를 써.
Use your brain.
Use your brain.
Use your brain.
끝났어요.
It's over.
It's over.
It's over.
어제는 따뜻했어요.
It was warm yesterday.
It was warm yesterday.
It was warm yesterday.
10시간 넘게 걸려.
It takes more than 10 hours.
It takes more than 10 hours.
It takes more than 10 hours.
음식이 포함되어 있나요?
Are meals included?
Are meals included?
Are meals included?
이 가격은 식사, 버스, 모든 것이 포함된 가격인가요?
Does this price include meals, buses, and everything?
Does this price include meals, buses, and everything?
Does this price include meals, buses, and everything?
몸이 좀 안 좋아.
I'm a little under the weather.
I'm a little under the weather.
I'm a little under the weather.
듣던 중 반가운 소리네요.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm glad to hear that.
살을 빼고 싶어요.
I want to lose some weight.
I want to lose some weight.
I want to lose some weight.
이가 아파요.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
I have a toothache.
효과 있어요.
It works.
It works.
It works.
제 휴대전화 번호입니다.
This is my cell phone number.
This is my cell phone number.
This is my cell phone number.
이상한 것 같아요.
I think it's strange.
I think it's strange.
I think it's strange.
선약이 있어요.
I already have an appointment.
I already have an appointment.
I already have an appointment.